Algebra 2, this is Chapter 6, Section 7. We are going to graph and solve this inequality. The solution is going to be a little bit different for you for how you're going to think about this. So just bear in mind that with that. So the first thing we want to do is see if we can factor it. If we can't factor it, then we'll move to one of our other methods. So factors of 3 are 3 and 1. 3 and 1 do add to get you 4. So we can do those two factors. Oops. Hold on. Okay, so let's factor this to find where our solutions are. So it's going to be x minus and x minus, and it'd be 3 and 1. So we're going to cross the x-axis at 3 and 1. We want to sketch this parabola in, so we want to know negative b over 2a to find out where the vertex is. The vertex is going to end up being right here, which is at 2. Let's just double check that. So negative b, b is a negative 4, so that's a positive 4, over 2a. 2a, a is 1, so that's 2. So this is at 2. If I plug 2 back in, that's going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. So that's going to be 4 minus 8 plus 3. So that's going to be 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 8 is a negative 1. So my vertex is going to be right there. This is going to be a parabola here. And we want to know if you're shaded inside or outside. We are greater than this. So let's try the point 0, 0 and see what happens if this were a y here. So if we assume this is a y, we put in the point 0, 0 is 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 3 greater than 0. And so that would be, is 3 greater than 0? And the answer is yes, 3 is greater than 0. And so we would shade the part with 0, 0, so that's going to be out here. Again, this is going to go on forever on the outside part of this. And again, it's going to go on forever, so all of this over here is shaded, and everything down here is shaded. You get the idea. So that's not solving it. That's just kind of graphing it. Solving it, remember, our solutions are where we are on our x-axis. And so if we want to look at this, where are we on our x-axis? Let me go back to pens. Come on. Oops, over here, pens. And let me grab red. So we are right here, and we're going that way. And we are right here, and we are going that way. So our solutions actually are going to be x such that x is going to be less than 1 or x is greater than 3. And that's in our set notation. Notice we are strictly greater than, so it is an open circle here and an open circle, and it is an open circle and an open circle. These are not overlapping, so it has to be an or.